Wait, do I just undo these clips, right?
Mm-hmm. So what are we doing today?
Changing my oil and my air filter. By myself, well, but not really.
Alright, so...
And jam into 80s music. Because I'm the king of wishful thinking. Kids these days don't know good music. What's funny is I am one of those kids these days, so... I was wrong. It's not this
It's not
box.
there? That's not where the air filter goes?
Nope. However, to be fair, when I did do it in the truck, it looked just like this box. Am I wrong? Am I wrong? Did it not look like that box?
It was a little bigger.
But it did, didn't it?
It looked like that
Yeah,
box.
okay. Try number 2.
Try number 2. You want me to tell you yet?
Here? Looks like it could be the same size.
And that
That's
one?
pretty convincing. But it looks like there's plugs in it.
Mm-hmm.
Can I open it?
Yeah, you can.
Oh no, it's not plugs. It's air hoses.
Air hoses?
Okay, how do I open it though? Get down, round, and get up.
There you go. I was gonna say there should be a clip somewhere in there.
It's not that one.
It's not that one.
Everybody have fun tonight.
Alright, where else could it be?
Everybody have fun tonight. Everybody went on tonight. It's not over there. Oh, but that's where the oil goes. No, it's not. Just kidding. The oil goes here. No.
No, you check the oil from there. That's
Oh.
not where it goes.
Okay, well,
But
at
you were
least I
close.
know that.
You were close.
Does it go here?
No. That would be the air tunnel.
Oh, it goes in here!
Yeah!
Okay, so it is a big box. I just had the wrong big box. But, you know, to be fair,
No.
not as bad as I thought it would be.
I think you're missing a clip right here.
Oh, it's all
Another
the way.
one there too?
I don't want to burn my hand. I see it. I see it.
I guess there isn't one in the back.
Good, I see it. It just
Alright.
lays right in there.
Ooh,
Is it dirty?
it is a little dirty.
How do you know? It just looks green to me. Is that not how... Oh, yeah. That's rough. I don't think the previous owners ever changed this. PSA to all the YouTubers out there. You should change your air filter every time you change your oil. Even a basic white bitch like me knows that. Okay. Maybe that's not YouTube appropriate, but it is true.
I think they gave us the wrong air filter.
Fuck all the ducks. These are the letters we use.
Yeah.
I did all that work for nothing. This is ridiculous.
Yeah. Yeah,
Can
Susie.
we make it fit?
No.
Why not? Lola has a ball.
Where's Lola?
Playing on the steps.
Yeah, no.
There she is. Hi, Lola love. Are you gonna help? Yeah. It's not food stupid.
Yeah. No, that's definitely not the right
Okay,
one.
but these are the letters that we were
Sure.
told to get.
These are the right numbers.
Stupid book.